Students, you can find computers in almost all spheres of life, whether it is a school, workplace, or home. There are some qualities that facilitate such wide use and popularity of computers. So, we'll see and understand the features of computers. Children, as you all know, computers perform at a great speed and have the capability of processing even the most complex computations in a matter of seconds. Speed means the duration computer system requires in fulfilling a task, or you can say completing an activity. It is well known that computers need very little time than humans in completing a task. Generally, humans take into account a second or minute as a unit of time. Many computers have the ability to process, billions or trillions of operations in a second. So that way we can see the speed of computer is tremendous. Now, accuracy. When we talk about accuracy, it means the level of precision with which calculations are made and tasks are performed. One may invest years of his life in detecting errors in computer calculations or updating a wrong record. A large part of mistake in computer-based information system occurs due to bad programming, erroneous data, and deviation from rules. Human cause these mistakes, and when we say there is a term associated with it, that is GIGO, that is garbage in, garbage out. If you are feeding the wrong data, you are bound to get wrong results. So computers have the ability to provide accurate results as they perform compute. Now let's understand reliability. It is the term associated with the quality due to which the user can stay dependable on the computer. Computer systems are well adjusted to do repetitive tasks. They never get tired, bored, or fatigued. Hence, they are a lot reliable than humans. Still, there can be failures of a computer system due to internal and external reasons. So, we can say the electronic components in modern computers make them more reliable as they rarely break or fail. Storage is another important feature of computers. Storage is the ability of the computer to store data in itself for accessing it again in future. The storage capacity of computer defines how much information can be stored in it. Nowadays, apart from having instantaneous access to data, computers have a huge ability to store data in a little physical space. Storage capacity of hard disk can be measured in terms of TB or PB. This allows the user to store a Storage is another important feature of computers. Storage is the ability of the computer to store data in itself for accessing it again in future. The storage capacity of computer defines how much information can be stored in it. Nowadays, apart from having instantaneous access to data, computers have a huge ability to store data in a little physical space. Storage capacity of hard disk can be measured in terms of TB or PB. This allows the user to store a Students, now see, if you check this table, it shows you computer storage capacity terms. Now, what is capacity? Number of bytes or characters a storage medium can hold is termed as its capacity. You are very much familiar with term kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and even terabyte. So you will be learning few new terms, that is petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, and yottabyte. It shows you how many bytes they can store. Read the table carefully. You have seen the features of computers. Now let us understand some limitations of a computer. As you can see, limitations are the drawbacks of the computer system in which humans outperform them. Or you can say computers are machines and therefore we need to provide input to make them work. You see, computers provide accurate results, yet they have some limitations as compared to human beings. So we'll understand these limitations one by one. First is lack of common sense. This is one of the major limitation of computer system. No matter how efficient, fast and reliable computer systems might be, but yet they do not have any common sense because no foolproof algorithm has been designed to program logic into them. As computers function based on the stored programs, they simply lack common sense. So this is the greatest limitation of computer. Computers are machines that do not have self intelligence. Instead, they need to be informed time to time regarding the tasks to be performed. So this is one of the limitation of computer systems, is that they have zero IQ. They are unable to see and think the actions to perform in a particular situation unless that situation is already programmed into them. Computers are programmable to complete each and every task, however small it may be.